Leaky Gut Cure – Fastest Way to Cure Leaky Gut Syndrome. By Karen Brimeyer, holistic nutritionist and functional medicine practitioner. Discover the cure for leaky gut syndrome to naturally and permanently end your chronic symptoms without expensive doctors or a lifetime of supplements and reclaim your life. The one secret technique that I learned which cut my clients' healing time in half. When you develop leaky gut syndrome, you can become allergic to any food that you eat, including foods that really are normally healthy. And the more you eat these foods, the worse your condition becomes. But I can show you how to identify these underlying hidden allergies that are sabotaging your results. Get started right now by click the link below.